This indication is a real opportunity to enhance our reach to more customers, to more therapies, to more indications. We need to focus on building trust, comfort and confidence in this product and take this confidence that we have to our customers and to our patients.
Once when I came back after a long distance flight from the US, I was surprised to actually have pain in my left calf. Compression ultrasound detected 2 thrombi in my calf vein. Now that Pradaxa is approved to treat DVT as well as secondarily prevent venous thromboembolism, I have the power of Pradaxa in my hands, the best possible protection.
For the patient, they have to get the best treatment. That means that they need an anticoagulant which has all the protection they need and all the convenience associated with it.
I think this is a fantastic opportunity, and while we have plans to build on the indication, I don't think that's just about enough. We need to use this opportunity to build maximum comfort and trust on the brand overall.
I think the key contributing factor that has led to this success, this DVT approval, has really been a combination of commitment and teamwork.
I'm really excited about Pradaxa getting this new approval of DVT-PE. It's a great opportunity for us and for the brand to focus on trust and comfort.
Now more patients can be protected. On our other indication, we don't have patients coming in and expressing any kind of symptoms or relief they get. But with Pradaxa for DVT,
this indication means reassurance for us and also for the doctor.
It means commitment.
For those patients who have started on heparin, they now don't have to go on warfarin.
We have the safety, we have the convenience. We have the longest data matched by none other Novavax.
It is the consistent good data with Pradaxa which help us in gaining the newer indication and the approval.
The one thing that is really unique about Pradaxa in this indication is its simplicity.
Pradaxa is the only anticoagulant that does not require dose titration. Pradaxa has been studied longer than any other NOAC in DVT and PE patients. Pradaxa now has power of 7.
Now they have a safe opportunity which is truly an alternative to warfarin.
What it essentially does is it removes any confusion or issue regarding the dose titration. So you start on one dose and continue with it throughout the duration of the therapy.
You have a great product in your hands. You need to make sure that all your doctors, they are aware about it and they guard all their DVT and PE patients with Pradaxa.
I think it might truly change treatment paradigms.
My challenge to the team would be to remain focused.
They are protected and safe and can just live their normal lives.
Focus on the brand.
Check your markets, check their needs.
Talk about the benefits, focus on the key issues.